Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use concatenate function in Google Sheets. So for example, we have here two columns, name and last name. If you want to merge these columns and have on this cell, for example, any Brown, you need to click here double time and then you need to type here equal sign. After that, we need to type here concatenate. We need to open the bracket. We need to select first cell from the name column. Then we need to type here comma. We need to open quote sign. Press space, we need to type here quote sign again and press comma. Then we need to click on the first cell in the last name column. We need to close the bracket and press enter. So how you see we have here merged name and last name. So if we want to autofill this result, we need to click on this one cell. We need to press and hold left mouse button on the blue dot and we need to change position of this dot to the downside to the last row with the data. So how you see it really works. If I helped you to use concatenate function in Google Sheets, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.